At Texas Injection Molding, we take great pride in manufacturing. We believe it allows us to express creativity, ingenuity, and teamwork, applying the greatest gifts and talents bestowed upon us. Our customers range from small to middle market manufacturers. They value strong engineering partners who can assist in designing, engineering, tooling, and manufacturing of plastic components. We believe that custom injection molding is a service that requires close communication and collaboration. It's not about being the biggest, but about creating valuable and useful products and for people we enjoy. Texas Injection Molding provides injection molding manufacturing services to a vast range of industries and applications. Our support extends to engineering, complete in-house tooling resources, and technical process engineering. Injection molding is a commonly used process for making plastic parts. It involves an injection molding machine, plastic raw material, and an injection mold. The process is completed in seconds and then repeated, making it efficient and repeatable. Injection molding is ideal for high volume production. It can create complex geometries, offers a variety of material choices, and its automation leads to lower cost. With our broad application experience, we serve industries like energy, transportation, industrial, consumer, medical, food processing, safety, construction, agriculture, electronics, and business equipment, sports and outdoor equipment. We offer a variety of services like plastic product design and engineering support, tooling services, insert and overmolding, plastic printing and decoration, and secondary plastic machining and packaging. Texas Injection Molding follows a simple strategy centered on people, process, and technology. It is our culture of respect and genuine concern for others that make us unique. For assistance with your project, give us a call at 281-489-4292 or use our contact form. Thank you.